Hi, this is Vijay Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off power off schedule feature on Xiaomi. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. At present, people tend to lead a scheduled life. People like to work and organize way as people have limited time to spare. Smartphones have become a necessity for people. On the other hand, the devices also become the distraction of people's personal life. And on Xiaomi, you can schedule your power off time on your phone. On my previous video, I've shown you how to turn on this feature, how to schedule the power off on your device. And what if you want to turn off this feature? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our settings on your phone. You can scroll down, you can go to the battery option, battery settings. You can tap on that. Tap on additional features. There is an option, schedule power on or off. As you can see, for the power off time is active. My phone will be turned off at this time and it repeat one time. And if you want to turn this off, you can just tap on the toggle on here to turn this feature off. So now your phone will not be turned off automatically. So simple, right? So that is how to disable, how to turn off power off feature on Xiaomi. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.